Ladies and gentlemen, we have the bicycle back on two wheels. Now it's time to start the plugging exercise. I've already started, so I plugged into the controller. Those should be the phase wires. Now I need to plug the sensors. I already plugged the base of the battery, which goes here. Then I will put the battery back in place. The rest came already connected. So what I need to do after this is that I need to put the LCD because I want to see if everything's working, and then we will make a test. Let's try. Okay, this is the LCD with some power button, and I guess this one connects to this one, which at the moment is short circuited because you can use it also without the without the LCD. Okay, nice and easy. Nice and easy, Diego. Don't break everything, please. Should go like this, I think. Not 100% sure though. Yeah, I think so. Yes. Okay, it went in. Should be good. Yes. I forgot. I need to plug this one. But this should be already plugged in. Yes. So in theory, it should be good to go. Let me do last couple of checks.
A few moments later.
Okay, so everything should be good to go. And I also noticed that we have two spare connections here. Those, I don't know if you can see it nicely. Yes, those should be for the lights. The seller told me that it was supporting only front lights, but actually I have two pairs, so it's one front light and one rear light, I suppose, unless you do like two front lights, like for cars, but whatever. Now, let's not lose the short circuit one. Let's put it back in the box. Yeah. And I'll plug the battery and we do a test. Okay guys, I plugged the battery. I'm a bit excited because it's the first time I'm doing it with you. Let's just double check that the wires are good here. So you see blue with blue, yellow with yellow, and green. Is that green? Is it green? Green? Yeah, green. Should be green. Green with green. The rest is not possible to mess it up, so should be good. And now here we have the power button for the battery that was previously charged, so let's put it on. Okay, we have full battery. Okay, now all I need to do is to press this button to see if the LCD works. Come on, let's see. Let's put it this way. Okay, there's a light there. Come on, 1, 2, 3. It's not working. Maybe I have to press more. Come on. Oh, yes, we have it. Yes, we have it. There is power. Okay, what is saying? Battery is full. I'm on assist 5, but I don't know, I don't have pedal assist. The distance is 0.2 kilometers, maybe they tested it. 20 degree, 0 watt in the motor, and whatever TM is, maybe it's the time. Okay, I'm a can I say I'm shitting in my pants in YouTube. I should raise it a little bit because I don't have let's lose this. Okay, I've loosened the throttle, and now guys, this is the first time I'm with you. And now I'll throttle, I'll give it a little bit of gas, if we could say gas. Let's see if it spins. I hope so, please work. Come on. Whoa, we got movement. We got movement, guys. Yes, maybe it works. Yeah. Yes, it works. Yes. I have to see why it whistle a bit, but maybe that was my fault. I don't know. But it works. Nice one, nice one, nice one, yes. Let's have a look at the LCD. I don't know if you can see it well. At least good news, it works. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, so we got some indication here. So we have kilometer, we have the average, we have the maximum. I don't know, probably this is the voltage of the battery. Yeah, that's it. Should also work this one, so we should see how much watt we are pulling. Yeah, you see, 10 watt or something like that. Okay, it should work. Okay, yes. Also, this works. I don't understand why. No, like this is off, like this is on. It flashes for a while as long as I keep it pressed. Then, as long as I release, the light goes off. I don't know. I have to check how that works, but I'm very satisfied because we have basic functionality. So we will put those stuff on, and then we will perform a test drive.